Yes.
Look.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
That's a good color. Good
That is a really pretty one. All right. Now proceed. Now that we've released the fish. And don't get one.
And it's like nothing.
Yeah, we're not dealing with like high numbers of fish like in Tom Bombadil.
Sure, yeah.
Where there's just like huge schools of fish.
Hey, it's still on. Still on.
You really got to. It's weird watching you catch fish. Because you have to reel for like 7 years. That's why sometimes it looks like I'm cranking it in.
Maybe.
Like it'll look like I'm cranking on it because to you have to be like, and I'm just like,
Yeah, you're
it's literally half the rotations.
much more casual.
Oh no. Guess we had the same thought. You know?
I feel like I got something. What was that?
Oh, he's barely hooked. He's probably getting off. Haha!
Nice.
Must have got him in the upper. Well, there we go. Oh, there you go. Little 10-incher or so.
10-incher, kind of thin.
Ah, good. He's normal. I mean, it wasn't stuffed to the brim.
Yeah, I feel like I went over some kind of structure there.
I think there's rocks in there. I think I'll be okay on the right. Oh, I actually think that was a fish. It's a rainbow. Triple! We got the triple.
Oh, nice.
Woo!
Is that a rainbow?
It is.
Nice.
Let's go. We got the triple.
Oh, baby, it's a triple.
It's a triple. It's a triple rainbow. We got the trifecta of the trip.
All in one stream?
First driftless rainbow trout.
Nobody saw that. Nice. What, like 9-incher?
Yeah, something like that. I don't know if this might be stocked. I don't know if the rainbows are stocked in this stream. Oop. He was not of sufficient size for me to keep him though.
Yeah.
I don't know where you are.
Hey.
There you go, nice. Oh, bottom. Rainbow? Brooke. Ah, little monster. Oh, the beginning of the fourth book?
Yeah. And then and then he has to like kill copies of himself. And then she's like, nope.
Ben. Oh my word. I might actually keep this one.
Is that a rainbow?
Yes. It's a nice rainbow too, dude. Look at the body on that.
Oh my word.
Wow.
That is distinctive.
It is. I'm not used to, I think a natural, they must spawn in here naturally.
Really?
It's a good size one too. It might be my biggest fish of the day. Yeah. 12 inch, just over 12.
Inch?
Oh!
Still got him, I think. Yep.
Yeah, you still got him. Looks like a brook.
Yeah. Oh, that was a fun one.
That was cool looking.
Nice.
I could have netted him. We'll call that a catch. Oh yeah, he's hooked good. He's hooked good. There we go.
Boom.
Double! Ah! You didn't ruin the double. That was a catch on your part.
Yep.
The last one. Remember, I was like, you ruined the double.
Wow.
Do you remember that?
I don't remember.
You know? Oh, man. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you'd see it, Ben.
I am subscribed.
If you watch the videos. Got him.
I watched one of the videos.
Oh, man. Day one.
Hey.
It's a pretty one.
A double.
Another double. Actually, a pretty decent brook. If I can get him in the net. Whew, I was getting nervous. I was afraid you were going to be like, you ruined the double. Yeah. That's pretty. Nice.
As soon as I get it off the hook, it's going to... Oh, it's got a bunch of stuff in its mouth. In its gullet.
It's been eating well, huh?
Oh, yeah. Look, it's got eggs, dude. Look.
I think those are eggs from suckers.
Getting rid of the competition.
You
keeping that one? It looks kind of keepable.
Yeah, I don't know. I think it might be a bit small.
We could eat him.
He's 10. Yeah, I would rather have my hamburgers tonight.
Oh, yeah?
Seems like a good hamburger night.
But
I'm gonna try and land it over there again. It's getting there, right? Oh, yeah. You mean the right here? Hey, the trifecta!
Yeah. Hey, that looks like a keeper.
Yeah, it's a nice brown. Right around 11 inches. No! He was 12. That would have been a nice keeper, Ben. Shoot. Well, we got another day and a half we got basically 2 days to fish, so it was a good call on that run though. It was a good call. I'm gonna actually do it again.
Get your replacement. You got it, fishy. You're living your best life now. Just like Joel Osteen was.
Oh my god. Joel Osteen, everybody knows he's a great guy.
Yeah, yeah. Hey.
It's a brook. I got it. It's not, it's
Ready.
nothing to write home about. Well, he did a good job hitting it.
Huh, I actually crossed pretty well.
Oh boy. No, no, no. I know you got a lot of fight in you. You're very aggressive. Good for you. Good for you. Oh, that actually worked out just fine. Catch another big one, Ben. Bye, buddy. Oop. Bye, buddy.
Bye, buddy.
Bye, buddy.
Plonk. Michael Kramer says plonk once, and that's like